Good morning everyone and happy Tuesday from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We are in Parque Sortija. Noisy because there's the reconstruction of Gran Hotel Tauro running. It will be beautiful. 5 stars hotel again. This tree is amazing. Let's try to walk. El niño que no. I can walk here. Maybe not. It's not easy with camera and El Niño. But we did it. So cool. This is better for me. Let's try this training center for dogs. You'll see. Come, come. Niño. Niño, come. Yeah, good boy. Come. Niño. Come, baby. Good boy. Good boy. Come. Good boy. ¿Cómo está esperando? ¿Quiere? Bonito. Y 1, 2 y 3, vamos. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. There's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.